Are you curious to know how it feels to travel through the future of transportation? Find out how the latest reverse electric trike to hit the market is one for the books due to its stability and exhilaration. Number 7. Adventure Trike 2.0, the featured adventure trike. 2. Zero electric trike could be just the one suitable for both young working adults struggling with the daily traffic jams and those who are lovers of adventure. This model comes with a strong 750W motor that is capable of offering tremendous force to deal with inclines, plus other terrains, hence creating a comfortable ride regardless of the landscape. It supports 48V/15Ah lithium-ion battery, and one single charging would take the trike to a distance of 45 miles. This implies little or no concern about power shortage once you are on your escapades. The product is a trike, which is superior in quality to balance due to the presence of 3 wheels. Thus, it can be recommended for people of all ages and experiences. Also, it is accompanied by a well-cushioned and height-adjustable seat, as well as well-designed handlebars for a comfortable ride. Adventure Trike 2. Zero also has a strong frame that is made of aluminum alloy, a light but rather sturdy material. Its LCD system display can be used by the rider to check his speed, battery, and other critical information. Safer than drum brakes, especially on the rear with front and rear disc brakes, so you have much better control braking in different road situations. Number 6. Microletta. If you are looking for a uniquely designed and effective means of transportation, then the Microletta electric trike could be what you need. The Microletta is driven by a sturdy electric motor that supports a top speed of 50 km/h, and therefore ensures that you can maneuver through city traffic without much of a problem. Its battery allows it to travel up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles, without charging, thus few interruptions on charging will be needed. As for the battery, that is also removable and can be charged wherever you are, at home or work. The trike has a large comfortable seat and a clear panel with all the parameters: speed, battery charge, and distance. Do you have any concerns about parking in the central city? Owing to the fact that it is a small car, parking will be easy, especially in cramped areas, while the beauty of the Microletta will attract the attention of every person on the road. Number 5. IRRWAY NXP 500. The IRRWAY NXP 500 electric trike is exactly that you have ever dreamt of, with combining the perfect convenience of the 3-wheeler, sustainability, and style. This revolutionary trike is targeted especially for both the daily commuter and the thrill seeker. The maximum speed of NXP 500 is 28 mph, while featuring a 500W motor and the lithium-ion battery gives the car a range of up to 50 miles per charge. 3-wheeling is a major advantage of this trike because it minimizes chances of falling over, especially when turning, which is a problem faced by bikers and scooter riders. Also, NXP 500 has enhanced features like an LED display to display the speed, battery backup, and trip meter. Number 4. Arcimoto FUV. This just might be the vehicle you've been waiting for, the Arcimoto FUV, or Fun Utility Vehicle. This trike is an all-electric vehicle that combines low power consumption with environmental consciousness and driving fun. The FUV is a small, 3-wheel automobile that is easy to navigate within traffic and locate a parking slot. The Arcimoto FUV has a maximum of 75 miles per hour and can cover about 102 miles with a single charge of the battery, which makes it ideal for everyday use and for short runs to and from work and other nearby places. It can accommodate 2 passengers side by side. FUV has safety mechanisms, dehumidifiers such as seat belts, stability control systems, and regenerative systems of brakes. Also, it has an open-top concept, although this can be mitigated with optional doors for shielding from harsh weather. According to the last criterion concerning sustainability, it is worth mentioning that FUV has exceptionally low CO2 emissions and consumes minimal energy. The Arcimoto FUV definitely paints a very vivid picture of what the future of cars might look like in cities. Number 3. Doohan iLark. Have you ever had a thought on how to make one's travel time more comfortable? If this describes you in a nutshell, then the Doohan iLark electric trike could be the answer to your prayers. This three-wheeler is ergonomically designed to provide style and comfort, as well as vary from the norm transportation vehicle. The iLark is driven with the help of an efficient 60V20Ah lithium battery, which allows riding up to 40 miles with a single battery charge. The machine boasts of a powerful motor of 800W that guarantees seamless powering and a maximum of 25 miles per hour, perfect for city use. Another aspect worth describing is decent stability due to the usage of 3 wheels in the Doohan iLark model. For easier maneuvering, especially through traffic, and making sharp turns, this trike has 2 front wheels. The leather material and comfortable sitting make it suitable for errands or daily uses, and also has spacious boot space. Also, the iLark has a digital display, which informs the important information like speed, battery power, and trip meter. Number 2. Mylo. This is the Mylo electric trike, a perfect invention for fighting the atrocious world of urban transport. This tricycle is foldable, and it is designed in a simple manner that makes it environment-friendly. The Mylo has a powerful electric motor with a silky performance, and which can attain a max speed of 18 miles per hour. Thanks to its 25 miles mileage range on a single charge, you can easily perform daily routine chores, or simply spend a pleasant time riding a bike without running out of charge. Another pleasant feature of the trike is that owing to the low center of gravity, the trip provides a stable and smooth ride even over the bumpy surface. It is very easy to fold, and being lightweight, can be easily stored even in rather small places or taken with on a bus or a subway. Additional features are a soft seat, an adjustable handle, and a display that indicates the speed, charge, and other options. Yet the advantages do not end there. The Mylo electric trike is ideal for those who seek to decrease emissions in their ride and at the same time maximize enjoyment from the convenient and effective way of traveling from one place to the other. Number 1. City Trike 2.0. Can you fancy what it would be like to travel to work, school, or any other destination with unhindered, environmentally friendly means of transport? Get ready to be introduced to the City Trike 2.0, an electric trike of a different league, meant for use in the city. This stylish contemporary trike, it outfitted with a 750W powerful motor to ensure the rider can have a smooth and comfortable ride no matter the terrain. The City Trike 2.0 comes with an aluminum frame which offers strength and at the same time is easy to transport. This mobility trike comes with a lithium-ion battery. It can run up to 50 miles on a single charge. Thus, one can run all the errands or enjoy a long scenic ride in one go. The large cargo basket that is located at the rear part of the carriage is ideal for groceries or other personal items, hence making the carriage ideal for use when going shopping or even for daily use. There is an ergonomic design of this model Trike 2.0 along with the fully adjustable seat and height of handlebars for the users of any stature. The enhancement of safety features is comprised of front and rear LED lights, hydraulic disc brakes that provide better stopping power, and almost puncture resistance tires which give you a safe grip on the road. Are you ready to replace the current trike you use daily or for your regular errands with an electric trike? If you find this video informative, then leave a comment and subscribe for more tech videos.